Welcome back. I am going to be showing you how I wash and prepare my curly headband wig that I purchased from Amazon. This is my first wig from Amazon, and this is how it is packaged. Now, this unit is by Rismale Hair. It is a human hair wig, and I want to say the texture of it is 4/8 curls. Now, this is what it is looking like outside of the package. It is wrapped in the hairnet. This unit is really soft. I love the way that it felt. It had minimal shedding as I was washing it. And I mean, I am hoping for some really good results with this wig. And this is what the curls are looking like out of the box. And these are some of the products that I am going to be using to wash and style the wig. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight. You win.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight. You win.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.